Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. Long, and you are my math maniacs. You asked, I answered. You guys wanted a recording for the 3.13 housing practice problems. So let's go through those. I'm going to start with number one here. Claude's gross annual salary is $48,852. What is the maximum amount of rent that he can afford to pay? Round your answer to the nearest dollar. So what I'm going to do here is I know that his gross annual salary is $48,852. The first thing I need to do is figure out how much he makes per month. So how much per month is going to be my first step. How much per month? And so I know that there are 12 months in the year. And so I'm going to take his annual salary, $48,852. And I'm going to divide that by the number of months in the year. I'm going to stick that in my calculator, and I find, well, I find that I have to turn it on first. $48,852 divided by 12 is $4,071. So that's his gross monthly pay. So the next thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to change colors to do it, is I'm going to find how much he can afford to pay in rent. And the way I do that is I take gross monthly, here's step 2 up here, gross monthly times 28%, which I'll write as a decimal, 0.28. And that'll tell me how much he can afford. So I'm going to take that $4,071 and multiply that times the 28%. And I'm going to find, now I still have 4,071 in my calculator, so I'm just going to put times 0.28. And that tells me, as a good rule of thumb, he could afford about $1139.88, which if I round that to a dollar amount is going to be $1140 or $1,140 per month. And there you have it. That's just like number one on your quiz. You go to number one.